I quit my job to work on games full time. I've been working on this project for 2.5 years. I'm running out of savings. I really need this Kickstarter to be successful. What's my plan B? I don't have a plan B. An announcement trailer is usually a short cinematic video that gives a rough idea of what the game's about. It might show the setting, the vibe, the situation, maybe a little bit about the characters, but it doesn't usually include much story or gameplay yet. It's a way to let people know that the game's coming out and a way to create excitement so that people know to keep an eye out for it. We need to create an announcement trailer for Strain that will really stand out and grab people's attention. Looking great, very happy. More regular game dev work. Loud enough. Now is it loud? I could eat this. It's so small. I could eat this. I think I could eat this and live. Took a lot longer than I ever had hoped, but you know what? Sometimes that's how these things go. Almost done. There's a few bugs I'm just ironing out. For the past year, I've had an idea in mind for the announcement trailer. I came across a song that I thought would work perfectly. I listened to it on repeat since, and I've been planning out how I imagine the trailer to look according to the song. I want to reach out to the artist and see if I can use the song in the trailer and what it would take. I wanted to show a rough take of the visuals along with the music so that they would know what they'd be signing up for if they said yes. I feel like I put a lot of pressure on myself for this to look good because I really want them to say yes. Realistically, I know it's more complicated than that. There are a number of reasons to say no, both legally due to the label who may own the rights, or maybe they won't like the idea of associating with a game like Strained, which is kind of darker, especially in the trailer, or they might just not like it. So I'm prepared for a no, but I'm not prepared for a no. I'm really not. One thing I do when I'm not doing game development is foster kittens. Well, I suppose I do them at the same time. They kind of overlap. A litter of kittens who are very fearful of humans came in, so I signed up to foster 2 of them where I would help get them used to being around people. I prepared a space for them and picked them up. They'll definitely need some time to settle in, but they're so cute and I'm trying my best to make them feel comfortable. So, I have some bad news. The music I was hoping to use, well, I'm not able to use it. So I need to come up with an alternative. I didn't get a reason as to why I can't use it, but that's not what's important. What's important is finding a replacement. It's a really unique song, so trying to find something similar will be really difficult. So I'm gonna try to keep an open mind and consider different genres of music. This is really tough. I was really attached to it. I know this was a possibility, but I now have to accept that I can't use it. If I had to have learned something from it, some lesson or whatever, I guess in the future, I will find out if I can use a song before I get excited to use said song or whatever it might be. My sister, my brother-in-law, and my niece came for a visit, and my brother-in-law, who is a gamer, kindly agreed to try the game for testing.
And just hit begin?
Yeah.
Looks like it's post-apocalyptic.
Yeah, I'm all the voices, by the way.
Oh no, yeah, I was like, I hear something. Oh, it's cool. It's one of those. Okay, so get up and explore on your journal. Gotta find my journal. Just trying to find my objectives here. Looking around the apartment, looking for things to my stats back up here. It's very interesting. It was neat to explore. I like the concept of choosing your dialogue and having multiple, I guess, answers. But it seemed very easy to navigate. It had a pretty easy to-do list or task that you had to complete.
That's all. Thanks for helping. Thanks for testing.
Thanks. That's great.
Bye! I've been trying to find music that will fit just right, and I've been really stuck. It's been weeks now, and I really need to put this trailer out. It's holding back the release of things because this needs to come first. So I need to sit down and really pick one, even if it's not perfect. I've been listening to thousands of songs, and I've been narrowing them down, and I hope that I can find one that I am really happy with. I've been spending a lot of time on this trailer, arguably too much time, but it's important to me because this is going to be the first time most people see anything about the game officially. So I wanted to really make an impact. If people don't like it, they probably won't look at the game any further. If they do like it, it might convert them into somebody who actually buys, plays, and enjoys the game. So this is a really polarizing step, and I don't want to screw it up. I do feel justified in the work I've spent on it though, because I've worked on scenes and characters that I will be using in the actual game who I would like to have looking fantastic for the gameplay, so the time spent now will be used again later for the actual game, not just the trailer. So, We have a song for the trailer, and I'm really excited about it. I've recut the trailer and made some adjustments, and I dare say it's even better than it was before. I'm super excited, and I think we're pretty close to putting it out. I sat down virtually with my friends Carrie and Dusty. They're both creatives. Carrie works in television as a production coordinator. She's worked on some cool projects like 90 Day Fiancé and On Patrol Live. She also has a background in photography. Dusty is an engineer who designs lightings for different buildings, including an esports arena and a gallery for Meow Wolf. He's an illustrator and a 3D artist who's done designs for shirts and tattoos and has even done a cover for a Lil Peep album. On top of that, they're both just really rad people, so we sat down for a little hangout and I asked them to take a look at the trailer and give me some feedback on it. Oh, and their adorable dog Gus joined us for a bit too.
You want me to start it?
Yeah, go when you're ready.
Fuck yeah.
Woo! For children.
I love the shot. Ah,
Oh, that's so.
yeah, I love the colors in these. Yeah. This is the kind of apocalypse I want to live in. It looks fun.
It looks pretty.
Yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, great trailer. I thought it was. I love the way like it starts and you see like a little bit, and then throughout the trailer you're like spoon fed more and more of like the surrounding like environment. You kind of get like these clues to what this world's kind of gonna give to you when you play the game.
I like the dress, the sparkle.
Yeah. Oh, the fucking like the little face mask that you got on that one girl. That looks so good.
I like the transition of when it like came up from the ground, like onto the road.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that was really cool.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, I
Do you
think
guys
it's
have
great.
any feedback or like suggestions or areas of improvement?
Honestly, I don't know.
Yeah.
And I love the idea that like you find out that they're like in a either a bunker or like a basement at the end of the trailer. Like you don't know where you are, and then it like kind of zooms up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're in like a subway or like a train station. That's
Mhm.
really cool.
I think Dustin pretty much said everything I was thinking because we have the same brain. Um, See, I'm not too familiar with the whole game design universe, so I feel like he could give a better critique than I can. Because I'm just gonna say I really like the colors and the transitions and stuff. I like all the tattoos that you put on the characters.
Yeah, it's awesome. Like the only thing that I would say is I I would love to know more about it, like what's going on. But I mean, I don't really have any like critiques other than I just don't I really don't have any critiques on it. To
Yeah,
be
I don't have
honest.
critiques either. I think it's great.
Good,
Oh,
Carrie.
Lana, you know what else? If you need somebody to test strain out on a certain device, look what we just got.
Whoa! How is it amazing?
It is amazing. Like, it's crazy. You can play anything on it.
I'm really happy with how the trailer turned out, and I think it's a great foundation for the rest of the reveal of the game. This was a huge milestone, and I'm so happy to be here. There are still a number of things I need to do for the launch of the game, so I think we're off to a good start, and I'm excited to see how the rest go.